Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Lagrange error questions look scary, but this one is fast if you track the formula, grab the biggest fourth derivative, and plug in carefully. For a third-degree Taylor polynomial centered at 0, the Lagrange error at x equals 0.3 is bounded by m times 0.3 to the fourth over 4 factorial, where m bounds the absolute value of f to the fourth of x. Now use the graph of the fourth derivative on the interval from 0 to 0.3. The largest value shown is 3, so the maximum possible absolute value of f to the fourth of x is 3. Substitute m equals 3 into the bound, and you get the guaranteed error is at most 3 times 0.3 to the fourth over 4 factorial. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Don't rush signs or guess. Trust the given graph and check each step before choosing the bound.